Hi friends, welcome to Hello TESHA. Today we're playing Guess the Word by Emoji, Christmas edition. Can you figure out each Christmas word using only emojis? Think fast, shout your answers, and let's see how many you can get. Don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss more fun Christmas games. Ready? Let's play! Can you guess this Christmas snack? The word is cookie. It is so yummy. Can you guess this word? You are right. It is hot chocolate, so delicious. Can you guess this word? Yes, it is snowman. Good job. What is this timeliness holiday snack? You got it. It is gingerbread. Choose your holiday snack. Which snack will you get? Choose your holiday box. Box 1 or box 2. Pick one quick, and let's see your Christmas treat. Wow! Do you get gingerbread or candy cane? Both so delicious snacks. Is that your favorite? Would you share it or eat it all by yourself? Can you guess the magical holiday collection? Yay! That is Snow Globe, a mini winter wonderland for your collection. What winter activity is shown here? You are right. It is ice skating. A fun activity with family and friends. Can you guess the character? It is Rudolph, the red-nosed reindeer. Can you solve this one? You got it. It is Snowball. Choose your gift. Do you want box 1 or box 2? Cute gifts. Do you get Labubu or Zootopia Pop Mart? Comment below. Guess the word. Very nice. It is fireplace. Can you guess the snack? It is fruit cake. A delicious snack for holiday. Can you solve this? You are right. It is the North Pole. 3 Christmas boxes are waiting for you. Which one will you choose? Box 1, box 2, or box 3? Make your choice before the timer ends. Which one did you get? A super cute plushie, a cool game console, or yummy Sour Punch candy? Tell us in the comments. What is this festive drink? Eggnog. Perfect answer. What must-have holiday item is this? Wish list. And it is time to share your Christmas wishes. What is on your holiday wish list this year? Can you guess the character? Yes, it is the Grinch. And how about this one? Good job. This is Santa. Try to answer this one. Snowflakes. Fantastic answer. Can you guess this holiday food? Cranberries. The festive favorite. Can you guess this emoji? Yes, it is pine cone. How about this one? Good job. It is Santa gift. Can you guess this holiday food? This is gingerbread house, super yummy. Choose your dessert box. Do you choose box 1 or box 2? Do you get hot chocolate or chocolate cookie? Can you guess the music? You are right, it is Jingle Bells. Can you answer this one? Yes, it is Christmas light. Can you guess from this emoji? It is silent night. For last question, try answer this one. Santa sleigh. Thank you for playing with Hello TESHA. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun Christmas games. See you in the next challenge. Bye!